Hello everyone, in this video you are going to see how to have the list of content and list of figures using an inbuilt option of a Microsoft Word. So go to the multi-level list and select chapter 1. So you can see a chapter 1, here is my introduction. So you can select that introduction first and go to chapter 1. So you will find a chapter 1 is introduction. You can proceed to chapter 2. It has automatically selected chapter 2 as literature review and the third chapter as carbon dioxide. Then you have a sub chapters in a third chapter, so you can name those sub chapters, number those sub chapters, as I have numbering it as 3.1. So again select that number, go to the multi-level list and select the heading 2, change the list level to heading 2 and say OK. After selecting, you will find that it has listed as a heading 2. Now go to the next. I am naming it as 3.2. I will select the 3.2. I will type the 3.2 and then go to the multi-level list option. Multi-level list option from home. Then I will change the list level to heading 2. So likewise I have given a chapter name and a subchapter chapter number and subchapter number. Okay. So after to this you can have the figures number. Okay, right now I am with a figure name. I am available with figure name in my report. So I just need to put a figure number in front of it. So let's go to references. Let's go to insert caption. You can find caption figure 1-1. So go to the numbering. So you can tick include chapter number. If you will not include the chapter number, it will appear as just figure 1. Okay, so it is on your choice that whether to have 1-1 as your figure or 1 figure 1 as your number. Okay, 1-1 as your number or only 1 as the number. So likewise go to the second figure, will have caption, insert caption and figure 2. Okay, so I am going to name this figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 in the list. So it will appear figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. Okay, so let's change the font, change it to Times New Roman, change the size of that font. I'm changing it to 11 and say again I'm doing the same for second figure. Likewise you need to insert the figure number for figure 3 and figure 4. For example, the CCS technology is my third figure. So you just go to insert caption, you just go to figure and you just need to select that thing and again you need to change the font. You can observe here the figure number is in continuation with the previous. So previous it was figure 1, figure 2. So right now it is figure 3. So for next figure it will be figure 4. So go to again references. Say insert caption, then automatically the caption will appear figure 4. Insert it and change accordingly, change its font and size according to the previous figure. So you can use format painter option also for it. So you can have a uniqueness of a font as well as size. So after naming this figure and naming the chapter, you just need to go to the introduction. Okay, the contents and the list of the figures are always inserted above the report. So starting at the report, so just you need to enter before introduction, you need to have a space before introduction and just go to the references and table of content and select any of the style which you want. So you can see a chapter 1 introduction and page number ... page number 1. So likewise, chapter 1 introduction, page number 1, chapter 2 literature view, page number 2, chapter 3 name of that chapter, and page number 3. So it is showing you the page number. Also, if I want to change introduction to the uppercase, you can change the introduction to the uppercase first in the chapter name, and you just say update table. Further, you can insert the list of the figures. Just go to the references, and in the references you can have insert table of figures. So you can see when I say OK, so it is going to show me the list of the figures. Okay, so this is how you need to make a list of figures. This will